him out, bring 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 him. Oh, okay, it's forming something.
Disney Dreams That Soar.
Oh, wow. I haven't mentioned this is my first drone show ever. Whoa!
Here we go!
Whoa!
There it is,
Oh my
Wendy.
God. Wow. Ah. Oh wait, this is cool. This is cool. Oh, what? Oh.
The wilderness must be explored!
Oh.
I just met you,
And I love you. Whoa, that's so cool. Dante.
Spirit guide! You are!
Oh yeah, now he turns into a spirit. Yeah, that's so neat. That's so neat. Wally. Yes! Whoa! Define dancing. Oh wow. Eva. That's one of my favorite scores. This is so nice. I love that.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like
What?
my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world.
Oh.
Coming in, point three.
Put that over Galaxy's Edge. That's so cool. Whoa, whoa. Oh, it's coming at me. Ah, ah,
Hello,
Ah!
I am Baymax,
Ah!
your personal
healthcare companion. I'm sorry. Oh.
Baymax, wings,
Oh my god. Yes.
thrusters.
Oh my god. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for this. Nice.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Oh my god. What?
Welcome to the
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Me and you.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
Two types of games in the universe.
Only idiots dance.
Did that look cool?
Yeah, that
That
looked
look cool.
To infinity and beyond.
Bed Bath and Beyond.
Ooh, Mary Poppins.
Oh, Zero! Zero! Oh, Elliot! Oh, Sisu! Sisu! Is that Moon Girl? Wait, what? That's Lunella! They put Moon Girl in there! That was so neat! I'm sorry. They put Moon Girl in there. Oh, Figment!
Imagination.
Ah! Grogu! Grogu! Oh, DuckTales. Orangebird. Pegasus. I'm just pointing out characters at this point. Rocketeer? There's Genie right there. They put Rocketeer in there. Ah, Wish. Oh, hi, King. This is so nice. Whoa. That was so cute. That was really cute. I don't know why this is here at Springs. I feel like that could be in the parks somewhere. The characters they put in. What? Moon Girl was in there. Great show. Everybody should watch it. That was my very first drone show. I've never seen a drone show in my life in person until that. That was a great first drone show. I don't even have the words to describe it right now. That was just cool. That was just cool.